Hello and welcome to the Pleasure Academy. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating topic. Women are attracted to men who know these 14 secrets. These insights aren't tricks, they're truths that help you build genuine attraction and confidence. 1. Confidence, the silent magnet. Confidence is the foundation of attraction. It's not about arrogance or loudness, it's about calm self-assurance. When a man is comfortable in his own skin, women sense it instantly. Confidence tells her that you trust yourself, your decisions, and your worth. You walk, speak, and make eye contact differently. This quiet power makes you stand out without saying a word. So stop seeking validation from others. Build confidence by keeping promises to yourself, mastering skills, and embracing your imperfections. A man who knows his value doesn't chase approval, he naturally attracts it. 2. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a game changer. It's your ability to understand, manage, and express emotions in a healthy way. Women are drawn to men who can listen without judging, empathize without fixing, and communicate without anger. It shows maturity and depth. When a man can stay calm under pressure, express feelings clearly, and read emotional cues, he becomes someone women feel safe around. Remember, emotional intelligence isn't weakness, it's strength under control. Learn to express, not suppress. When she feels emotionally understood by you, attraction becomes connection, and connection builds lasting desire. 3. Purpose and passion. A man with a mission radiates energy that women find irresistible. It's not about wealth or fame, it's about direction. When you know what drives you, you walk differently, speak differently, and live differently. Purpose gives meaning to your actions and passion adds fire to your presence. Women are naturally drawn to men who chase growth, not comfort. If you have goals, hobbies, or a craft you care about deeply, you'll always be magnetic. Remember, passion is contagious. When you light up from within, you light up the room. 4. Mystery and depth. Mystery doesn't mean being secretive, it means being layered. Women love discovering new sides of a man over time. If you reveal everything too soon, there's no adventure left. Keep some parts of your world private until it's the right moment to share. Have stories, experiences, and thoughts that go beyond small talk. Be curious about the world and she'll be curious about you. Depth makes you memorable. A man of mystery isn't unreadable. He's just not predictable. Remember, a little intrigue keeps attraction alive far longer than constant availability. 5. Respect and kindness. Real attraction begins with respect. A man who respects women, their opinions, space, and individuality, stands out instantly. Kindness is not weakness, it's strength guided by empathy. Hold the door open, listen when she speaks, and show gratitude. Women remember how you make them feel. If you're kind not just to her but to everyone around you, it speaks volumes about your character. Respect isn't about flattery or pretending to agree, it's about valuing her humanity. Be firm, fair, and compassionate. That's the real gentleman energy women can't resist. 6. Sense of humor. Laughter creates instant chemistry. A man who can make a woman laugh builds comfort and connection faster than anyone else. Humor shows wit, intelligence, and emotional balance. It tells her that you don't take life too seriously and can find joy in the little things. But here's the key, don't force jokes. Authentic humor comes from confidence and perspective. Learn to laugh at yourself. It shows humility. When she laughs with you, she relaxes around you. And when she's relaxed, attraction flows naturally. A shared smile can spark more than 1,000 compliments. 7. Body language and presence. Before you even speak, your body tells your story. Women notice posture, eye contact, and energy. Stand tall, shoulders back, and move with purpose. Speak slowly and with clarity, it shows control. Avoid fidgeting, stillness signals confidence. Presence means being fully there, not distracted by your phone or surroundings. When you listen, truly listen, it makes her feel valued. Your body language should say, I'm here, calm and grounded. You don't need to dominate the room, just own your space. Women are drawn to men who radiate quiet strength through presence. 8. Authenticity. Pretending to be someone else is exhausting and transparent. Women can sense when a man isn't being real. Authenticity is magnetic because it's rare. When you speak honestly, act genuinely, and embrace your quirks, you stand out in a world of copies. Authentic men attract not by performance, but by presence. You don't need to impress, just express. If she likes the real you, the connection will last. If not, you've saved yourself time. True attraction begins when you stop acting and start being. Remember, authenticity is your most powerful filter. 9. Self-control. Control is not about suppression, it's about direction. Women are attracted to men who can control impulses, emotions, and desires. A man who can stay composed in stressful situations earns instant respect. Self-control shows emotional strength and discipline, both deeply masculine traits. Whether it's managing anger, desires, or reactions, it demonstrates maturity. It tells her that you lead yourself first before leading others. In a world full of distractions, restraint is power. Master your emotions and you master attraction. A man who can pause before reacting always leaves a stronger impression. 10. Grooming and style. You don't need to be rich to look attractive. You just need to care. Clean nails, fresh breath, neat hair, and well-fitted clothes go a long way. Women notice effort. Your grooming reflects how you value yourself. Style isn't about expensive brands, it's about taste and confidence. Find a scent that suits you, wear colors that match your vibe, and stand out by being well kept. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence radiates. Remember, attraction starts with how you treat yourself. Dress not to impress, but to express your best version. 11. Ambition with balance. Ambition is attractive, obsession isn't. Women love men who dream big, work hard, and push limits. But they also value balance, time for relationships, fun, and peace. A man who can hustle and still be grounded shows emotional maturity. Don't just chase success, chase fulfillment. When your ambitions come from purpose, not ego, it's magnetic. She's drawn to your drive, not your possessions. Stay humble in your success and hungry in your growth. Balance makes you dependable, and dependability builds trust. Ambition with calm energy is the ultimate blend of power and peace. 12. Leadership and direction. Leadership isn't about controlling others, it's about guiding yourself. Women admire men who make decisions confidently and stand by them. You don't have to dominate, just lead with clarity. A man with direction creates safety and structure. Whether it's planning a date or pursuing life goals, take initiative. Be decisive, not dismissive. True leadership is calm, fair, and steady. It inspires trust. When she sees you can handle challenges with composure, her respect grows. Remember, leadership begins with responsibility, and responsibility is one of the most attractive traits a man can possess. 13. Social intelligence. How you interact with others matters. Women pay attention to how you treat friends, waiters, and strangers. Social intelligence means reading situations, adapting energy, and communicating gracefully. Be polite, confident, and attentive in any setting. Don't try to dominate conversations, share the spotlight. Good manners and good humor go hand in hand. When you make people around you feel comfortable, you naturally become the center of positive attention. Social intelligence isn't about being fake, it's about awareness. Charm isn't practiced, it's presence with empathy. That's what separates magnetic men from forgettable ones. 14. Emotional stability. Emotional stability is peace in motion. It's what makes women feel safe, respected, and valued. A man who doesn't overreact, who can stay composed even in conflict, is rare and powerful. She trusts that her emotions won't trigger chaos in you. You become her calm in the storm. Emotional stability isn't about being emotionless, it's about balance. You feel deeply but think clearly. You express but don't explode. In a world of emotional volatility, stability is magnetic. A stable man isn't just attractive, he's unforgettable. So, those were the 14 secrets women are truly attracted to: confidence, depth, kindness, purpose, authenticity, and stability. Remember, attraction isn't about tricks or manipulation, it's about growth. When you develop these qualities for yourself, attraction becomes a natural outcome. Becoming magnetic starts from within. Master these secrets and you won't need to chase, you'll simply attract. Thanks for watching the Pleasure Academy. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs these insights. Stay confident, stay kind, and keep growing. See you in the next one.